In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this new model called as G34 billion on your local machine in Windows easily. I'll be using the quantized version of Block to install this model. G is a bilingual English-Chinese model developed by a company called as AI01, and Yi is a Chinese word, and the meaning of this word is one in English. There are other models too in this series. So the Yi series models are primarily some LLMs which have been trained from scratch by this researcher team 01 AI. And this G34 billion is the first publicly released model which contains two bilingual base models with parameter sizes of 6 billion and 34 billion. Both of these have been trained with 4K sequence length and can be extended to 32K during the inference time. The way they have done the benchmarking is also quite interesting, and the evaluation too. Let me give you a very brief overview about that. While they were benchmarking open source models, they observed a disparity between results generated by their pipeline and those reported in public sources. And they did an in-depth investigation of this difference, and then they discovered that various models may employ different prompts, post-processing strategies, and sampling techniques, potentially resulting in significant variation in the outcome. But their prompt and post-processing strategy remains consistent with the original benchmark, and greedy decoding is employed during evaluation without any post-processing for the generated content. Also, in order to evaluate the model's capability, they adopted the methodology outlined in Llama 2. Specifically, they included Pika, Sika, HellaSwag, Vinogrand, Arc, OBQA, and CSQA to assess common sense reasoning. And then they also incorporated a lot of other benchmarks like PoolQ to test it on various matrices. They also conducted zero shot configuration, and especially in CSQA, they conducted the tests using 7-shot setup. They also introduced GSM 8K, math, human eval, and lot of other things. So pretty interesting. I'll drop the link to their Hugging Face page so that you can read through more. Okay, now let me show you how you can install the quantized version of it from the blog easily on your local laptop. And this is the Hugging Face page of their developers, where you can see the models types like 34 billion and 6 billion. Okay, enough talking. Let me open my LM Studio where I'm going to install this G model easily. If you don't know what LM Studio is, I have other videos where I describe in detail how to install it, download it, and run it in LM Studio, and I'll drop the link in video's description. Now, in order to run this G model, simply search for G in your home page of LM Studio and then wait. You can see that we have this blocks G34 billion in GGUF format available. On the right hand side, it tells you the different files of this quantized version, and all of them are in 34 billion, which is fine. Let's see if we have any smaller one. So let's go with this G34 billion Q5KS GGUF, and also so click on download, and it will start downloading it here. You can see that it is downloading. Let's wait for it to finish download. Also, you see that it is telling you that it requires 30 gig of RAM. So make sure that your laptop does have 30 gig of RAM. I already have it, and I have one GPU on my laptop. But if you're running on CPU, it should work. But GPU is recommended. Anyway, let's wait for it to download, and then we will play around with it. Model download is almost complete. It is at 99%, as you can see. The file is just close to 24 gig, so make sure that you have this much space on your hard disk, and let's wait for it to finish. It should be done any minute now. Eventually the model has been downloaded. Now let's go to files folder on the left hand side to see if the model is there. Yep, the file is there, which is cool. And now in order to use it, click on these three dots on the left hand side, In the middle, load the model, and keep an eye on the top left. You can see the RAM usage here, which will keep increasing as the model gets downloaded and we use it. It has already climbed up to 10, 12, going up. So yeah, let's wait for it to load fully. And you can see that you do need close to at least 30 gig of RAM. It is already at 24 something. Anyway, I'll just drag it a bit down and let's start talking with it. First, I'm going to ask it what is the capital of Australia. As you know, this is a bilingual model, both English and Chinese. So let's see. Let's first ask the questions in English and then we will ask it in the Chinese. Let's wait for it to process. I'll keep the video running instead of pausing so that you would also see the speed of the quantized model and the usage of resources. Still running. Let's wait for it to finish processing it. Okay, so it's done, Canberra. So that is correct. Very nice. I'll just stop generating it. Let's ask the same question in Chinese. So this I'm already at Google Translate. So what is the capital of Australia? Let it convert it to Chinese. Let me grab this. I could even click on this copy button. Anyway, let me ask it here in Chinese. And I don't know Chinese, so you would have to help me out if you know Chinese. Or maybe we could again check the response in Google Translate to see if it predicted the right one or not. So let's wait for it to come back. It has printed something in the beautiful Chinese language. So let it, okay, it's completed. Grab it, go to Google Translate. Maybe I'll switch it and now paste it here. Okay, and there you go. Canberra is, how cool is that? So you can see that the bilingual model works. Let me ask it one more bit of a complex analytical question in English. So as you can see what I'm asking it that in 1 year yellow paint fades and becomes a white color. In my house, in one room, one wall is yellow and rest of walls are white. Should I paint that yellow wall as white now or wait for 1 year to do so? That it fades into white. It's a bit of an analytical question. So let's see how this model does the reasoning. Let's wait for it to come back. Interestingly enough, instead of answering it in English, it has started producing something in Chinese, and I'm not sure what exactly it is saying. Maybe it is still answering the previous question. I'm not sure. Maybe this question, because sometimes these quantized models they can do some unpredictable things. But anyway, let's wait for it to finish generating, and then I will check it into the Google Translate to see what exactly this means. It is still generating the response and it is a bit slow because my RAM is limited as you can see and my GPU is not strong enough. So I'll stop it. I'll grab this from here and I'll go to Google Translate to see what exactly this means. I'll clear it, paste it here. Nice. It says if you want to have a new look, start now. If you don't mind waiting for a while, then the yellow well. Nice. Okay, so I think until here it has done the right thing, but maybe I don't know what exactly this is. Maybe a hallucination, but up till here, the answer is correct by the model. Pretty cool, I would say. The contest version, I'm sure if we use the full-blown version, the performance will be far more better and accurate, and we might this might not suffer from the hallucinations. But anyway, pretty cool, I would say. So if you are using it or intend to use, please share your experience with this bilingual model G. And if you get stuck or anything, please ask it in the comment and I'll be happy to help out. And of course, if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel as it helps. Thank you very much.